From the dashboard, tap on the HOS tile to access the Hours of Service status screen. The HOS status page allows a driver to access their rule set calculations, set their status, view recaps, and exemptions. The countdown time in the upper bar will show the driver the number of hours and minutes left until they meet their next limit. The bar will turn red with less than 2 hours available. The app will also notify the driver with system notifications when the timer hits 2 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes remaining. The timers displayed in the main view will be different for each driver based on which set of rules they are following. For more details on your rules, see your administrator. Your ELD is configured to automatically create a drive log when your vehicle reaches 5 miles per hour, 8 kilometers per hour, and lock the screen for safety. While the vehicle is in motion, the lock screen remains on the app. When the vehicle stops, the screen will unlock. If it does not unlock, press the X in the top left corner. While locked, the same rule set timers from the HOS status screen appear. After 5 minutes of no vehicle movement, the app will ask if you have stopped driving. 1 minute after this message, the ELD will switch you to on duty automatically. You can also change your status manually at any time, which we will cover next. To manually change your status, simply tap the desired status button on the HOS status screen. Tap on to continue. A small notification bar will briefly appear at the bottom of the screen to confirm the change. Tap Change Time or Annotate to quickly edit the log if needed. This allows you to immediately edit that specific log entry. You can change the date time and add an annotation. Tap here to add an annotation. For this example, we added fuel stop in the annotation. Next, tap Save. The system will save the annotation and return you to the HOS status screen. To get more details about your used and available time in your current cycle, tap the View Cycle Recap button. This screen lists the hours you've worked on all days of your cycle and provides a projection for your available cycle hours for tomorrow. The Available Tomorrow calculation combines today's available time with hours gained at midnight. Tap Hide to close the cycle recap. Any HOS exemptions enabled for you by your carrier can be found by tapping the View Exemptions button. We will cover the adverse driving exemption in this tutorial. For more details on yard move and personal conveyance, please see the yard move and personal conveyance tutorial. Note that adverse driving is often grayed out and unavailable if you are off-duty. You must be on or D to apply this exemption. Tap Apply next to adverse driving. Add a reason for using the exemption. Tap Apply again. A notification bar at the top will indicate that you have applied the exemption. Tap Remove to apply the adverse driving exemption. Note the changes to the driving and workday timers as a result of using the adverse driving conditions exemption. If you accidentally applied it, you can tap Remove. Important, only use Remove if you applied adverse driving by mistake. Tap Remove. Then proceed. If your administrator has enabled this feature, you can change your HOS rule set by tapping the pencil icon on the HOS screen. A list of your most recently used rule sets will appear. To see all available options, tap Show All. You can select a different rule set to operate under. Select USA Property 60-hour 7-day with split sleeper. An availability window will pop up showing your recalculated HOS availability under the newly selected rule set. Review this carefully. If you are okay with the new availability, tap Change Rule Set. The system will update and your HOS logs and timers will now operate based on this new rule set. Congratulations! You've completed the tutorial for HOS statuses and interactions.